Interest rates, oh, the number one thing people are concerned about when it comes to a mortgage. What happens when it rises a couple of times? Are we doomed to a 2008 crisis? Time will tell, but I doubt it. Well, rates are climbing. On March 2nd, we just got our first rate increase since 2018. Are there more planned for this year? Bank of Canada is indicating we are in for a few increases. So what does that mean for you? Well, if you got a fixed rate mortgage, don't worry too much about it. It's not going to affect your payment. For those with a variable rate mortgage or an adjustable rate, well, a 0.25% increase, as we just saw, is about $12 to $13 a month per 100,000 in mortgage, or about $3,800 over the course of 25 years. Yep, I realize this is not just pennies over time, but if you're currently paying a fixed rate, say 3.04%, compared to today's variable rates of something like 1.6, you'd be paying around $133 less of interest each month per 100,000. So Bank of Canada will need to increase the rates 5 to 6 more times for the interest to equal that of the fixed rate payment. And by then, you have already saved tons in interest. So realistically, since fixed rates rise with 5-year bond yields, it's only been a couple of times in the past few decades where variable rates have exceeded fixed rates. I'm not saying this can't happen, but a fixed rate normally means you're paying a premium for the stability in the interest portion, something banks don't always tell you. This may be still the best way to go, but it depends on your situation. Shouldn't we check that first? Well, of course, the past year or so, we've seen unprecedented low rates due to the perfect storm of current events. But that doesn't mean if rates rise a few times that money is now expensive, because it still remains very, very cheap. Maybe too cheap for our own good. That's a topic for another day, though. Fixed or variable, each serves its own purpose depending on what your goals and timelines look like. But if you're unsure what to do or what to go for, or if you have even the best option, give me a shout and I'll help you sort through those details. See ya.